Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Buttering the pie plate is important, especially for a pecan pie. The filling tends to leak through the bottom crust and stick, making serving difficult. One way to prevent that leakage is to paint the bottom crust with slightly beaten egg white before adding the filling.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
One of the most effective things you can do is submerge the bottom of your pie plate into some hot water for around 10 to 20 seconds. Doing this helps to remelt any solidified butter, greasing up the pan again, and releasing the crust from sticking to the pan.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There are a couple of strategies for recooking an undercooked pie. The easiest is to cover the pie with aluminum foil, place it back in the oven and bake it at 425 to 450 F for around 12 minutes. Another strategy, though it takes more time, is to remove the pie's top crust and scoop out the filling.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.